Iron Auction Group was designed to liquidate assets for many different industries. Key values of Iron Auction Group are honesty, integrity, relationships with our customers, and world-class marketing platform. The markets I'm going to focus on is the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast, which is West Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Georgia, and Alabama. Our target customers are going to be our construction, mining, transportation, bankruptcies, any of those industries and any industry we're willing to help. Iron Auction Group will be separated from the competitors with over $100 million in proven sales, and the partners have over 50 years of sales experience in the heavy equipment industry. The partners here at Iron Auction Group have a working relationship for many, many years. Our relationships have been built on honesty and integrity, trust, and exactly what you want to have when you build a starting company and grow it. You know, my partners here at Iron Auction Group are trustworthy, loyal. They're everything that you want in a business like we're starting now. The long-term goals are to be a global auction industry leader and to provide the best customer service possible in this industry.